So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab, and if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now just open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now here it is getting started automatically. If it asks for username and password, always refer to the lab instructions. Now here click on I understand. Once you have done all this thing, another pop-up will come over here. Just simply click on I agree and then click on I agree and continue. Now here we have to first of all create a workbench. Okay, for that we have to navigate to the Vertex CI and just click on this Vertex CI. Okay, just come over here to the Vertex CI dashboard and just click on enable all recommended APIs. Once all the APIs are enabled, scroll down and here you'll find notebooks. There click on workbench. Come over here to the lab instructions. And here we have to create a new instance. So just copy the name from here and from here make sure its instance is selected. Now click on this create new, paste the name over here. For the region and zone, always check the lab instruction. So in my case it's US East 4. Okay. And it's B. So I'll update it and all the things are correct. We don't have to do anything changes over here. Just click on create. Now it will take some time to get created, so just wait for it. You can see, wait for the instance to get created, it will take a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, do like the video and subscribe the channel, and other labs are also available, just check the playlist. So finally here you can see the notebook is now ready. Just click on open Jupyter Lab, and if you are unable to open it again, you can simply come back over here and open it again. Now wait for the Jupyter notebook to get ready, and it will take a couple of minutes again. You can clearly see now it's working. And the first thing we have to do, first of all, close this and just come over here and open the terminal over here. Once the terminal is live, come back again to the lab instructions and simply copy this one, paste over here, hit enter. Again, you have to just copy the second command over here, paste it. Now, once it is done, go to settings, and in the settings, we have to just search for incognito. Okay, this is for our personal Chrome settings. Like here we have to go to the settings, three dots, and just allow the third party cookies and then click on add. So let me do it. So what you have to do, you have to just come over here to the incognito window. Okay, and then simply click on these three dots. And here you have to just go to the settings and then you have to just type incognito. So here, if I just come over here and you can see this third party cookies. So you have to just add over here. Okay, let me just do it. So here you can see option add. Just click on it, add over here and just copy this domain over here. Okay, so just come over here and just paste over here like this. Remove the HTTPS and what we need to do, let me just cross verify once again. We have to just add it like this and just check the current session only. So just check it like this and just remove the .com, cross verify all things are correct. Okay, now just click on this add option. Once it is done, you have to just click on this check my progress for the task number 1. Now just come over here to the speech adaptation. First thing, wait for the kernel to get selected. And here we have to just run all commands one by one. So wait for it to get connected. It will take few seconds. Currently the kernel is idle. I mean kernel was connecting. So now it's idle. Now first thing we have to just run the first command over here. And after that, just run each command one by one. You can see the kernel is busy. Wait for it to get idle. Idle means this circle which is filled will become empty. So you need to wait for some time. It may take few minutes. Meanwhile, you can like the video and subscribe the channel. And one more important thing, if you come to the channel and just check the playlist over here, all the labs are already live on the channel so you can complete it. And if you're interested in other games also, you can just navigate and check the challenges too. So let's come over here and check the score. So you can see we got the score for task number 3. Now just check the score for task number 2 we got the score, and it's time to check the score for task number 3. Similarly, go and check for task number 4 and 5, and let's see, it's still working. So if you are not getting score, do not panic, wait for it to get completed. So here you can see it's still working. So just wait for it to get completed, and once it's done, we'll check the score for each and every task. So finally, after waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, all the tasks have been completed and you can clearly see the kernel is now in idle state. Now let's move to the lab instruction and simply check the score for each and every task. Okay. And many if you are asking how to get this yellow check my progress bar, as I said earlier, you have to open any video and just check the description and complete it. So this is how we completed the challenge, and if you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel guys. Have a great day ahead.